Welcome back. This is Dr. S. Rajasekaran, Associate Professor, KSR College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the control system. It's a set of devices or a mechanism that can manage or command or regulate the other system's behavior. Look at here where the input is given to a system. The control system will perform for the input and that give some set of output. But the output is always depends upon the input. Means if the input is increased based on that, based on the system behavior, the output behavior may be increase, decrease. The next case, we are talking about the types of systems. One which is a open loop control system, another one which is a closed loop control system. In a open loop control system, it does not have any feedback, where the output is regulated by the input as well as the system mechanism. That's it. But when coming to the closed loop system, where the output is not only controlled by the input along with the output data also. Means if you are considering a fan in a room at a cool condition, we are observing the speed which gives more cool that we need not. Based on that, we are taking a decision and we are giving controlling the signal the regulator. By reducing the regulator, the speed got reduced. So how the control action takes place means based on the output control actions are taken. When we are talking about the control system, some key components are there. First one about the sensors which measures the output and the controller which need to do the process and determines the necessary control actions. The actuator which is to execute the control actions and the feedback loop which gives the information about the output as like if the speed is very high speed, we can get the high speed and compare with the reference speed. For example, the high speed is 400 rpm, the reference speed would be 300 and the error detector is going to be minus 100. That is given the controller which processes the measurements and determines the necessary control actions. Means whether we need to raise the speed of the fan or reduce the speed. Since it's again minus 100, that can take to reduce the speed of the system by the control systems. So by the way, the output going to be reduced to the 300 rpm. And in case if it is only 200 rpm, where the 200 rpm is taken to the error detector, here the reference speed as we discussed again the same 300 rpm. Here the error detector difference going to be positive 100 and that controller will measure this difference and give the necessary control action to the plant The control plant will take plus 100 RPM. So by the way, this will come to 300 RPM. By the way, we are getting the more accurate result in the closed loop system when compared with the open loop system.